10 days, one plan, your flexible way to make a great living. Here's a breakdown of what you get in our 10-day AI business plan. And so basically this is, if I was starting from scratch today and I needed to make 5 figures a month while working remotely, something flexible, and I had no brand or credibility or team and I had no idea what to sell, this is it. Every day for 10 days, I will send you short videos and a set of instructions. So all you have to do, log in, watch, read, and execute. No tech skills required. So the first 3 days, you'll get the exact prompts, the plugins, the tools to create awesome content, the images, the audio. Type what you want them to say, and voila!
Hey there, barbecue lovers.
The video, no guesswork needed, just follow along our how-to videos and done for you templates. Again, no experience required. We even give you updates on new AI tools emerging, the cool stuff, like where you can send one simple voice command to AI and it creates a clone of you and posts to Instagram in seconds. Days 4 to 8. These days are all about what to sell, how to sell, and who to sell to for people who hate selling. Most of our people are busy adults. They don't want to go out and cold sell and all that crazy stuff. You don't have to. We'll give you copy and paste emails, sales scripts you need to land and keep clients, plus an AI assistant that can do your outreach for you. Finding, researching prospects, creating lists, writing and sending personalized emails to get appointments. We're going to give it to you. And then days 9 and 10 to finish it out, you'll get step-by-step checklists and templates to onboard clients, process payments, and get your clients set up for success. We'll even give you a daily schedule to get the most out of your new AI business plan. And that's it. A simple, straightforward 10-day plan for you to try. And if it doesn't work, money back, period. But I will say this, we've had over 50,000 students try this plan and only 2% have asked for their money back. You got nothing to lose. See you on the inside.
This, by far, has been the best $100 I have ever spent.
Man, this thing is already changing my life.
Following this plan is going to change the life of me and my family.
I'm blown away. I'm sure many people can say the same thing.
It's worth every penny.
I'm getting so much out of this class, and for the price, it's so worth it.
At this point, it is everything he says it was going to be. He's delivered so much content.
Villaging gave us everything that we possibly need to succeed.
I recommend anyone to take this course that's serious about not getting left behind as AI gets bigger.
Really interesting stuff. Some of it amazing, to be honest.
Phenomenal stuff, value, tools. Highly recommend. Cannot talk enough about it.
So that pretty much just says that I made my first commission and I'm on day 6, okay?
Just a single day's lesson is more than the value of the entire program.
It's a total game changer.
It is one of the most comprehensive, step-by-step, easy-to-follow programs that I've ever seen.
It's life-changing, a game changer. Billie Jean's the real deal.
If you could make a better life for yourself, you would have already done it. Find somebody who's doing what you want to do and copy that.
This program was amazing.
You're going to make things so easy to implement into your business immediately.
I encourage you to join Billy's plan.
It's just blowing my mind with new concepts.
Get off the freaking fence. Get this program, get into high level, and go out and gain some clients.
I can't tell you how phenomenal this guy is.
The training is superb. I love it. It's so much fun.
My mind is exploded with so many different ideas.
Yeah, this is just absolutely blowing up my mind.
Great information, funny guy, and he gets you where you have to be.
Go all in, do the work, enjoy it, have fun, and learn and serve.
To be honest, I'm starting to feel like a genius around here.
Click the link and I'll see you on the inside.